welcome back to the channel. This week I'm doing going to do my camper with the Muk Junkie. We went to a bit of a meet up with Fieldview Adventures a few weeks ago, and I was gifted a bottle of Muk Junkie, so I'm going to give it a go and see what the results are. So it's only be a short video this week, because tomorrow morning I'm flying to Tenerife. So, and as you can see, it's a bit of a mess because we're in process of selling arse, and I've got all kids' toys here. Because when anybody comes to do a viewing, we're just chucking it all in here. So yeah, I'm going to get this Muk Junkie, read the instructions and have a go at that. And this is it. Muk Junkie caravan and motorhome cleaner. Yeah, they give me this for free, so I thought I'll give it a go and do a bit of a video on it. Alright, read the instructions and have a go. Alright, we'll see how we go with that then. Alright, so it just says spray it on, so I'll just spray it on. Give it 5 minutes and then we'll rinse it off with hose and see what happens. Oh, yeah. Action. Right, I've sprayed it all as you saw, and I'm just going to rinse it off now and we'll see what happens. Well, it says start at the bottom, I think. Well, I must say, that's dead impressive. Look how clean that's been. Literally just sprayed it on, left it for a bit, and then well, that's dead impressive. Back doors, yeah, I'm dead impressed with that. That's brilliant. That's that. I just need to do front and other side now. Jordan's doing his car. Oh yeah, I'm dead impressed with that. That's impressive, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah. That's done a good job, that has. And minimal effort, isn't it? Yeah. Spray it on, let it do its thing, rinse it off. Yeah, that's dead good. Look how nice that is. Yeah, impressed with that. Yep, good that is. So I'm going to do my car now. I went to the doctor's this morning and I told him I got a problem with one of my ears. He says, "Are you sure?" I said, "Yeah, I'm definite."
Nice.
I'm definite. Oh, I like that one. I'll give you 2 today, seeing it's only a short video. My wife was upset today because she thinks I don't like her cooking. So to prove her wrong, I had another slice of gravy. Oh dear. I don't know what's funny, jokes or me laughing at my own joke. Good stuff that is. So if you want some, I'll put a link into the description to their website or whatever I can find. I'm pulling that then and bloody stop because I'm pulling hose pipe. What did you stand on it? Yeah, not bad. I thought it got stuck on wheel or something. There's only one payback for that, didn't they? Right, yeah, because I know it's going to be a short video, but so I just wanted to test that out. And we got to pack a case and we're going to Tenerife tomorrow. So next week's video will be Tenerife. Alright, thank you for watching. Thanks to everybody that's subscribing and that. If you can't be good, be careful. Bye for now.